This is a solar quadcopter that we have designed. This drone does not require any form of recharging because there is no battery on board.
Hello everyone, this is Jiamo.
Stephen is here. How are you doing?
We sent 3 students to Australia to see how long this completely solar-powered quadcopter can stay in the air without any onboard battery.
A group of researchers from the National University of Singapore managed to fly a solar-powered quadcopter for 4 hours and 25 minutes. Duan Zhang and Zifeng Yuan are researchers who designed and flew the drone.
The quadcopter has a huge surface area of solar cells. During the day when the sun is up, the solar cells will generate enough power to lift up the drone above the ground. If you buy a commercially available drone, even the best in the market, probably they fly around 20 to 30 minutes. Then you need to land it and recharge the battery. If you can design a solar-powered drone that has enough power to lift its own weight, in theory, when the sun is out, you can fly it forever.
That's it.
That is our motivation, how we started this project. We came to Alice Springs at the end of February, during the flooding season.
The weather was unusually stormy over Central Australia when the students first arrived, but it eventually cleared off and they had some good testing days. They did have a little bit more trouble with the wind than they expected.
The strong gust of wind.
Nothing ever goes just like we plan it.
Okay, it's okay.
Thankfully, the students had a lot of local help.
And thanks to Matt, he really helped us a lot today, driving us to different places with less wind. And we're here at Alice Springs Speedway. It's 2.6. Oh no, it's pretty strong. Today we came to Charles Darwin University. We are at DKA, Desert Knowledge Research Center, Australia. This is Ross Park Primary School. They have got like a mini few buildings around it with wind shielding. So this seems like a reasonably good place to test it, and they allow us to test here as well. Now we are inside the Alice Springs Town Council. Wow, we're really thankful for the support of the Town Council.
It's impressive engineering and an inspiring glimpse into a smart, innovative future. For me, it feels really fitting that this has happened here in Alice Springs because this is a place of ingenuity, resilience and possibility. And with our endless blue skies and sunshine, it's no surprise that people are travelling from across the globe to test what's possible here. So we're so stoked that our town could play a role in this world-first accomplishment. Congratulations again to Duang, Zifeng and Jiamo. The future's looking brighter and we have plenty of sun to carry.
We would like to thank Alice Springs Town Council and our local friends for their incredible support.
Ryan, we're just so glad that this project at the end it was successful.